I learned a lot about how to train and configure environments for machine learning and inference tasks. I also learned a lot about how to work effectively in a team.
Through deploying the AI model to the edge device, I get more familiar with how to develop the AI product, and the whole process is very challenging.
I learned how to apply the theories and the knowledge I learned in school to the actual workplace.
It's teamwork. When we work on the same project, we share our idea, talk them through, and come out with a final result together.
The importance of communication skills. I realized that just knowing the language is not enough, especially I work in Japanese marketing in Taiwan. So I made it a point to communicate effectively with everyone.
I learned how marketing materials are used in a project because in school we learn more about technical things and it's quite different.
Staying curious is the key. I think I often encounter things that I don't understand, and I will search for the answers. And in the process, I end up learning even more than I expect.
Inspiring,
Fulfilling,
Collaborative,
Practical,
enriching,
challenging.
creative.
What you learn in school will definitely be useful in the workforce. Through internship experience, continue to refine and sharpen the skills you will need before fully entering the professional world.
Learn from your colleagues and your mentors. There are a lot of excellent people in VIA, and it is quite precious experience.
Be passionate about what you're doing.
Don't give up and keep trying, because you will face a lot of problems or difficulties throughout the development of the system, and only when you keep trying you can find a better solution to solve a problem, and it will make you a better person.
Challenge yourself. Don't be afraid to learn new things because you for sure will encounter tasks that you are not familiar with.
Keep your curiosity and ask whatever you want, and you will meet many interns from other countries. It's a good chance to interact with them.
Embrace the challenge and enjoy the learning process.
Enjoy your journey while you could, because life is all about learning. Welcome to VIA in the future.